Kicks. Before we start the video, I just want to let y'all know something real quick. What is this? 1 subscriber? Hold on. Let's get that to 100 by the end of this week. 100 by the end of this week. We'll get another video out by this weekend. Give us his kicks. Share it with everybody you know. Let's get straight to the video. But what was my first bot? My first bot was actually Phantom. Got it for $8.50, sold it for $8.75. Paid middleman, didn't really make that much, but I wasn't really looking for a profit. What I was really trying to do is upgrade to a better bot, one of the best bots in the game. You already know the name, Cyber. All right, so Cyber cooks, just absolutely demolishes everything. Costs around 4.5K. No, right now it's probably going for more. I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't checked prices, but that's what I personally bought it for. And then 3 proxies providers that I got was Shy, Notify, and Red Dirt. I used some of those, and then not sponsored by any of them, by the way. And recently just got Unknown from the recent release they did. But so a couple of the drops I've gone through with the flints. I got about 20 pair of flints, all confirmed, and like I don't even want to know how many got canceled. I got like 20 something pairs though. And then I only got like 8 to 10 shipped or something like that. I sold all of them. I only got 2 pairs left. And then from those 2 pairs, they're 2 8s. If y'all need them, give us his kicks on Instagram. Let me know, DM me, whatever. But another drop that I went for, I regret not going for the hairs. I went today. Today was actually the Jordan and the Concord 11s drop. I got about 10 pairs, 7 denied and 3 confirms. Hopefully those 3 get shipped. If anything, it don't matter. Y'all know anything? A good Adidas bot, like what? Also good foot sites and everything, like good all-around bot. Let me know in the comment section down below what bot do y'all run. I also got A and B. I wanted the shit bot, but I got the A and B from my cook group, best cook group in the game. Shout out Keith. All the specs on my PC, everything will be linked in the description. Anything y'all need. Yo, so okay, this is the PC case. I was really trying to get an NXT or a Corsair case, but I couldn't. I got a Leon, or however you say it, and I got a pack of 3 yesterday at Micro Center, dude. Micro Center came in clutch with that. They didn't have the black ones. I really wanted the black ones, but I got the white ones instead. I got a Ryzen 7 3800X, 2 RAMs, which I'm switching out actually. I'm gonna have 4 of them Royals D, dude. People been asking me what are those RAMs. Don't mind the cable management. I know y'all see all of this. Yes, this was all built by me. Yes, don't expect the best cable management. No cable management at all. A 1660 Super with RGB, 850 watts power spec, and they actually came with 3 fans and then a $300 motherboard. Everything is linked down in the description if y'all need it. But the monitors, let's get into the monitors. So okay, this one is an Acer. It flips, you know, something nice. This one needs big upgrade. It's a HP 21.5 inches, 144 Hz, 1 ms, 24 inches. So this AOC, this one is my main monitor. This is where I put Discord, AYCD. Over here I usually run manually or captured, and then this is where I have my Cyber. I know y'all see that Cyber right there. That is my newest bot right there, my only bot really. Besides A and B, I don't really count it as a bot, but it's a sneakers. But look at this. All right, so this is the one that came with my old PC. I already ordered one off Amazon, the Annie Pro 2. I have a picture on the screen right now. And then I'm gonna keep the same mouse. I don't really have a problem with the mouse. I probably need a mouse pad or something. But oh yeah, I got these speakers, dude. I got them at Micro Center. They were like $25 or something. And the LEDs, okay, look, the LEDs is not the best work that I put in. Oh look, there's a little scale I got. Y'all need any shoes, give us his kicks on Instagram. I do ship out. But yeah, look at this. Oh my god, for the people that wanted to see this. I know some people got anxiety and wanted to see that, but yeah. Somebody wants to come to my house, do cable management. That's up to y'all. Look at those cables. Yeah, I don't really want to go through all this. This is just my sneaker body PC. I run some games, Fortnite, Warzone. I don't know, y'all play PC. I got my controller right here from PS4 still. This is where I control the LEDs. This is another LED. This is my tripod. This is where I pass all my stuff to, you know, to the PC to edit and stuff. But next cabinet, or my notes on what I want and stuff, you know, just personal stuff. My headset, which I don't really even use no more. And this is like all my leftover PCs. Look at my old graphics card, dude. I just want to keep it in memory. Look how Who even has this on their PC setup, dude? Like, yeah, that couldn't even run 30 frames a second, 720p. That was real bad. And then this is like one of my last ones, which is just nothing but cables. You know, you gotta keep those cables, man. Hashtag save the cables, because these have came in clutch so many times you don't even know. And then screws, you never know when you need screws. Just keep the screws, baby. But this last one, I don't even know what it is. Oh, this is my Rode mic. I don't know why. If any of y'all have problems with this Rode mic that is supposed to go on the camera, it doesn't work for me for some reason. And then this, some guy gave it to me, but you know, we're not gonna say that. It don't really work. And then we got these room dividers. There's a room divider right here and a room divider over there. But I don't really use them unless I'm doing live cops or something, future videos, you know. And then my ring light, and that's my setup. Everything is found in the link in the description, just like I said. But let me know if I have to upgrade that monitor. If it bothers you, I'll upgrade it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I really love my PC though. That's something that when that comes in, the other two RAM sticks, it's gonna be A1. Everything's linked in the description. Cable management, somebody, if y'all know how to do this, come through. Let me know. I'll pay y'all $4,000 for this whole setup y'all see right here. Which I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot, but hopefully it's worth it in the long run. Hey, I made it this far into the video. Please make sure to subscribe. Gills His Kicks, more videos coming in. Subscribe, turn those post notifications on, like and comment down below what y'all like to see next. Share this to a person that wants to get into sneaker body, because this channel is gonna be full of videos of sneaker body. So make sure to share with people that want to get into it, need some little side money, need some money, like shoes, anything, like hype wear, anything. But with that being said, this Gills His Kicks. I'm out. See you in the next one, baby. Before we close out the video, I was not playing. Let's get this, all right? Let's get these numbers up. Run up these numbers. For the first 1K, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. Whichever shoes y'all want. 1K subscribers are giving away a pair of shoes on my Instagram. Follow Gills His Kicks on Instagram too. Let's go, giveaway going on. How fast y'all press that subscribe button is how fast we're gonna do this giveaway. Let's get it.